demonstrate use of neural network prediction and training, and I will train a model where I will give input Celsius value and it will give me the prediction of Fahrenheit value. First I will import the important file of neural network. TensorFlow STF, then import numpy is np, then I will take some demo data for training. Training data Celsius L2 np dot array. We use numpy to maintain array in Python. -40 -10, then 0 8 15 22 38. Then I will mention the data type float, then Fahrenheit, equal to np dot array, then I will take some value 40 14 32 46.4 59 71.6 and 10 100.4. Then I will mention the data type YT plot. Because our problem is simple, so we will use one layer and one neuron to solve this problem. So we will give the name of our layer L0 Calto tf dot keras dot layers dot tells input shape and row 1. So right now we will connect the layer in the model. Then we will compile the model. Compile loss L2. We use the mean squared error for loss function. Mean squared error then we will optimizer L2tf dot errors dot optimizers dot Adam. Optimizer function is used to reduce the loss. Now we will train the model. Model.fit. We will use the variable Celsius Fahrenheit is Fahrenheit. Then we will set the epo. Epo is a complete run with using all the training data, and verbose equal to false. Verbose equal to false means we will not showing the information of training. Now we will see now we will print the Celsius values, Fahrenheit values against Celsius values. What is the machine predict? Print model dot predict to np dot okay. So we'll run the code right now. There is an error in our code, so we will fix it. Where is that? There is a model equal to tf dot character sequential. calculation and compilation compile minuscule error. There are some issues. I have solved it and I am running the code right now, and hope it will work right now. So we have got the finite value against that Celsius value. We give the 100 Celsius and it will predict against the finite values of the 100 degrees Celsius. Thank you.